When stepping out onto your deck, you want to see a uniform, uninterrupted deck surface. You don't want your fasteners to upstage your decking by creating a distracting pattern of noticeable screw heads or poorly coordinated plugs. At DIY Home Center, we've wrangled thousands of color combinations to make finding the best color match for your deck project easy. So your finished deck delivers relaxation, not regret. Find the right fasteners for your deck quickly and confidently with DeckMatch, our exclusive deck screw and plug color matcher. Go to DIYHomecenter.com and click DeckMatch to get started. Select your board type, either composite PVC or wood. Choose your board manufacturer from the list. This automatically updates your board color options. Then, select your board color. That's it. DeckMatch works its magic and automatically displays your custom list of plug systems and deck screws matched to your deck boards. Each item is marked as an exact match or a color match. Exact matches are made from your selected deck board, while color matches visually coordinate with your deck board. Click on any product for details, or use the Quick Order button to adjust the quantity and add your selection to your cart. Eliminate uncertainty and enjoy that beautiful decking surface from your favorite lounge chair. Find the right color for your deck screws or plugs to perfectly finish off your deck project with DeckMatch at DIYHomecenter.com.